I'm chill with you.
I know, but I want to end the round.
Nah, you're the one with that. Curtis, bro,
Fuck you.
put it on camera.
I just want to end the round, bro.
Wow, oh, yeah. No,
I'm just messing. I'm
infection.
Oh, okay.
Infection?
Yo, new round, y'all.
Yeah, Curtis, I0-0.
I'm gonna go beat them all. It's gonna be so easy. Hey! Who did that? Do you have aimbot, bro?
No, I'm chill with you.
I know, but one of y'all got me.
No. It wasn't me. It was the other science.
Bro, we're both at 1 health. He could actually beat me.
Finally, I could win. Please. No! You freaking meanie! I'm leaving.
Well, I'm gonna throw this bug at you. Oh gosh, a 2v1 again.
Bully. No, I don't want to fight you, please.
Y'all are on the same team.
I can't aim with this thing. I don't know how to aim. I'm leaving.
Yo, don't leave, please. Please. I want to tell you something.
Why not?
I want to
Yeah.
get this dub, please,
Sure.
please.
Bye.
I'm cooking chat. I can't. Why can't I get up? Oh my god. What the heck? I can't feel it. Bro, I can't feel anything. Right now. Dude, why can't I feel anything? I got the freaking. Help! Help!
Run.
I got
You can't run, buddy.
Help me!
You can't run. I'll get him, I'll get him. Slow him. Now run away as far as possible.
Let me show you, bro. Let me show you the aimbot glitch. Come here, please. I don't need no aimbot glitch. You're insane. Oh, shoot. Am I not on your team?
Oh, no, bro. No, bro. Come here, back. Bro, how do they use this aimbot? I don't have aimbot. I don't even know what aimbot means. Yes.